Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down 5 effortless outfits that just work wherever you take them. Let's start with this ivory silk shirt dress. The deep cut neckline and classic balloon sleeves give it that quiet luxury, old money energy, but the plunge keeps it modern and bold. A slim black belt with a gold buckle cinches the waist and creates natural curves, while the black leather crossbody with gold hardware adds the perfect contrast. This is a one-piece does-it-all look. No need for extra accessories, just small earrings and a bracelet. Wear it for weekend brunch, a stroll through an old European town, or your next travel photo shoot. Unbuckle the belt for a looser, breezier fit on hot days. This next look is all about effortless resort style. A 2-piece set with an asymmetric chiffon wrap top layered over white shorts. Loose, breathable, and exactly the kind of relaxed elegance you'd want on the Amalfi coastline. The uneven hemline creates beautiful movement as you walk, and it doesn't need much to look expensive. Perfect for a beach getaway, an afternoon walk around the resort, or a daytime outdoor gathering. Pair it with flat sandals for daytime ease, or slim heels if you're dressing it up for the evening. Here's a look that blends street-style edge with polished elegance. A button-front denim corset top paired with straight white jeans. It's the perfect mix of casual denim texture and clean, sophisticated white, making it stand out beautifully against classic European architecture. The matching denim-patterned crossbody bag ties the whole outfit together. This is your go-to for a day out exploring the city, an afternoon coffee date, or sightseeing at famous landmarks. It's easy to dress up or down. Just switch the shoes and you go from casual day wear to evening chic. This dress is pure romance. A soft pastel floral chiffon piece with balloon sleeves and a multi-tiered ruffled skirt that moves beautifully with every step. The sheer, lightweight fabric gives it a dreamy, feminine feel, perfectly suited to the flower-filled charm of Positano. This is your outfit for an outdoor wedding, a romantic afternoon date, or a summer vacation picture-perfect moment. Pair it with delicate strappy heels or simple sandals to keep the focus on the dress itself. We're closing things out with a sweet, minimal combination. A fitted pastel pink tank top paired with a flowing white lace skirt. It's feminine and refined without trying too hard, and the lace detailing adds a touch of handcrafted elegance that balances the simplicity of the tank. This is perfect for afternoon tea, a summer stroll, or a casual get-together with friends. Layer a light cardigan over it for cooler evenings, and you're set for any occasion. This one's a showstopper. An off-the-shoulder crochet lace mini dress with a corseted bodice and dramatic bell sleeves. The intricate lacework and delicate scalloped hem give it a romantic, vintage-inspired feel, while the fitted silhouette keeps it modern and elegant. Styled with a simple gold chain necklace, it lets the craftsmanship of the lace speak for itself. This is the kind of piece you save for a lakeside dinner, a summer wedding guest look, or a golden hour photo shoot somewhere unforgettable. Keep the accessories minimal and let the dress do all the talking. Closing out today's roundup with the ultimate off-duty look. A simple white tank top and matching shorts layered under an oversized cream knit cardigan. It's cozy, undone, and effortlessly chic, perfect for that morning by the beach kind of moment. The chunky knit adds texture and warmth without losing the relaxed vibe, and letting it slip off one shoulder gives it a lived-in, natural feel. This is your go-to for a lazy beach morning, coffee with friends at an outdoor cafe, or just a comfortable day when you still want to look put together. Swap the cardigan for a denim jacket, and you've got a completely different mood.